Hey guys, it's Mike with Carscoops, and today we're checking out the 2023 Toyota Crown. It's an all-new model designed to replace the Avalon, but Toyota had a problem when coming up with this car because how do you get people to buy sedans when they want crossovers? What they did is give the Crown a crossover-inspired design with plastic body cladding and an increased ride height. And despite looking like a liftback, it is a proper sedan with a trunk, which is kind of a bold move. But it is a little bit smaller than the Avalon, 1.9 inches shorter with a slightly smaller wheelbase. Inside, you'll find a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment system. The latter is a big upgrade over the Avalon's 9-inch display as it boasts cloud-based navigation, over-the-air updates, and intelligent assistant. Elsewhere, you'll find a spacious rear seat, which doesn't seem as big as what was in the Avalon, but is still plenty comfortable, good amount of legroom and headroom. In terms of equipment, the mid-level Limited has heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, leather upholstery, panoramic glass sunroof, and an 11-speaker JBL audio system. Under the hood, there's two hybrid powertrains with the base unit featuring a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. It should have around 231 horsepower and should enable the Crown to return 38 mpg. Upgrading to the Platinum rewards buyers with a Hybrid Max powertrain, which is all new and features a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a rear e-axle. This boosts the performance up to 340 horsepower, but it does come with a cost as it's only expected to return 28 mpg. Besides that, both Crowns have standard all-wheel drive, and we'll learn more about it when it goes on sale later this year.